You ever feel like your scalp itch you too much? Or what about when your head gets sweaty at night? And by in at the grand rising hour, your hair just smell kind of funky. Well, maybe you deal with too much grease or sebum on your scalp. Me got the perfect solution for you today. Me I go show you how to make these rings that is not only going to soothe the scalp, but it's going to keep the sweat and bad smell at bay. And it's going to leave your hair feeling healthy, strong, fresh, and vibrant. Let me show you what me do. First, you're going to need a handful of rosemary. Yeah, rosemary leaves, the dry one preferably. This is going to help stimulate the hair growth and calm irritation and soothe your itchy scalp if your scalp are itchy. Then, we're going to get a teaspoon of baking soda. This is a powerful but gentle exfoliator for the scalp. It'll go balance the pH and absorb excess grease and keep your scalp smelling lovely. Now we're going to use distilled water. Only use water when I have no impurities in it. Trust me, it's going to make a whole lot of difference. Oh, you wonder why we put baking soda in there? Well, baking soda is brilliant for removing buildup. It's also good for sweaty scalp and oily products that build up over time. And it helps to balance out the natural oils on your scalp, so you're not overproducing too much sebum. Because if you do, it's gonna make your head funky. And that's why the baking soda, they don't know if you just absorb everything and keep your hair feeling fresh for much longer and calm the irritation. Especially if you suffer from sweaty or itchy scalp. This one is for you. And if you want, you can add some cloves to it. This is a powerful anti-inflammatory, antioxidant herb. And it also preserves your liquid. So this is amazing for your hair as well. We are going to make sure so we stick to the cold infusion method because it helps keep the active ingredients intact while it's a gentle, keep your scalp healthy. You get what I'm saying? So we're not going to use no heat. And then you're going to leave it to soak for around 24 hours. And yeah, but about 9 hours in, you might notice the color and the scent start to become the color stronger in look, and the smell you can start smelling. But trust me, give it the full time for the maximum benefits. You're not gonna regret it. Patience. And once the rinse is ready, this is how you're gonna use it. So after you shampoo and condition your hair, when you do your routine, you're gonna pour the rinse directly onto your scalp. You're going to make sure it's soaked down to the roots. Yeah, we are water the roots them now. Because they need to grow. You're going to leave it on. There's no need to wash it out. Just let it stay up on your hair and the scalp, for work the magic what it bring until your next wash day. Let me tell you why. Let's talk about why this combination of rosemary, cloves, and baking soda works so good. It calms itchiness and soothes irritation on the scalp. It also helps manage sweat and oily buildup. It removes funky smell and leaves your scalp feeling fresh and clean. And the best part is, it's completely natural. So there's no need to worry about the harsh chemicals messing around with your natural pH balance. And guess what? It is so easy to make, affordable, and it keep your scalp healthy in every weekly wash. So if you not struggle with scalp issues, make a full courage, to try out this rosemary clove rings. Test it out and tell me how it worked for you. Please do that in the comments box below. And full enjoy your natural remedy like this. And also hit the subscribe button. Yeah, and don't forget to share with somebody who you know are gonna like this, like the rest of your friends. And then them can share it to the world. Thanks, highly blissfulness, and cheers to healthy hair. See you soon.
But take a screenshot of your IG, so when them say you a street, you know I might do that. Full up a style.